Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. This week's video is about how to make $1,000 a week on eBay dropshipping. For anybody new to this channel, my name is Neil Waterhouse and I've been selling on eBay for over 25 years. I'm the author of $1 Million eBay Business from Home and creator of Dropship Formula. So let's launch straight into it. On previous week's videos, I've shared with you products that are selling on eBay that are making over 50% profit, with some items making over 100% profit. If you missed those videos, I'll put a link below. With any eBay business, the size of your business is simply how many proven items that you have listed. The more proven items that you've got listed, the more you sell each week and the more profit that you make. Let me show you. As an example, this kid's ride-on car is selling on eBay now for $314.99. Dropship Zone is selling the same ride-on car for $151.40. That's a gross profit of $163.59 before shipping and eBay fees. Shipping for this item varies from $19, and you can also make money from shipping by making buyers pay for the shipping by setting up an eBay rates table. I've got previous week's videos on that, which I can also put down below. Now, eBay fees, they vary from 6.82% to 13.4%, depending on whether or not you've got an eBay store. And if you have an eBay store, what level of store you've got, i.e. basic, feature, or anchor. And also which category that you're selling in. So for this example of this kid's ride-on car, I use an average eBay fee of 10% to make the maths easy. So the total eBay fees for this ride-on car are $31.50, which leaves a net profit of $132.09. Or for round numbers, let's call it $100 net profit. So to make $1,000 per week, you need to sell 10 items like this per week. So bottom line is, the size of your business and your profits per week simply comes down to how many proven items that you've got listed. The more proven items you've got listed, the more you sell every day. And you don't need to research or list these items on eBay yourself. You can get low-cost overseas virtual assistants for $1 an hour who can list 3 to 6 proven items per day. If you want to know more about how and where to get low-cost overseas virtual assistants, again, I've got previous week's video, so check out this video. I'll put it up here, and I'll also put it below. If you also want to find more items that are making greater than 50% profit on eBay, I have an entire free online step-by-step course showing how to find them. I'll put a link on the screen and below. I'll put a link up here and also below. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. If you found any value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you hit the subscribe button to the No Fluff ad-free channel that teaches step-by-step how anyone can make a full-time living from their home using less than $100. Until next week, stay safe, live more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.